Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Nubia Redmagic 6R, and now I'm gonna show you top 3 best themes on this device. Of course, I will show you top 3 best themes for this device in my humble opinion, and I will show you how to change the theme on this device. It's so tricky on this phone. Okay. So, firstly, open your Play Store, and as you can see, the third place in my top have ADV Launcher 2 theme. So, attention, this theme will be appreciated only by old school users, old school Android users. So, just click Install and click Open. Great, here you can choose the Android style, and yes, I have see how the old school tear blown up from your eyes. Yeah, you can choose Android Lollipop or KitKat style on this phone. So just choose the style, click Go It, and nice. Here we have our Android Nougat or Marshmallow or KitKat style. If you want to set this theme as default, you need to open Settings, then find Apps, click App Info, then click on 3 dots at the right top corner and choose Default App Settings, then Launcher, and here choose ADV Launcher. Great, but this was only third place on our top. But the second place in our top, wait a while, second place in our top has Apex Launcher. Find it and install. Not Apex Launcher Pro, but just Apex Launcher. Click Open. Here choose your drawer style, horizontal or vertical. I want to use vertical style. Then you can set up how many rows you want to use, how many columns you want to use. This is really flexible and customizable launcher. So here choose free transition style. Click Next, click Skip, and home screen. Great. Here we have Try Again, click Try Again, choose Apex Launcher, and cool. Now we have the Apex Launcher. Choose Apex Launcher. Okay, click Always, just click Always, and cool. So as you can see, we have our Apex Launcher, here we have our apps menu, and it's really good looks. You can install all icon packs to this launcher from Play Store. So if you want to install any icon pack, Apex Launcher, you can install any icon pack to your Apex Launcher. So just find icon pack, and for example Icons, I don't know what is it, and as you can see there are many new icons. So just click about this app, and as you can see, ADV smart. Okay, you can apply this launcher to Apex Launcher 2. You can apply these icons to your Apex or Nova launcher. There are similar launchers. You can download Launcher 2. It's similar like Apex Launcher, but completely free. So you can install all types of icons of icon packs to your Apex Launcher. So I suggest you to use Apex Launcher to customize your device. Okay, but it was the second place of our top. But the first place has a Microsoft Launcher. So install it. Why I think that Microsoft Launcher is the best launcher for a device? Because Microsoft Launcher is the most customizable launcher ever. You can customize here everything you want. For example, just click OK. Here you have sign-in window. So here you can sign into your Microsoft account, and if you are using for Microsoft devices, for example PC or laptop with Windows, you can get all your messages and calls on your Microsoft device. So you can use it in pair if you want to want to answer for SMS on your Windows device using your Android phone. Just install Microsoft Launcher. It will work together in pair. So I will skip it because I will not show you now how it works. Click continue. Let's go. Set as default. Microsoft Launcher. Great. Here on the left side of your home screen you have the glance panel. Here you can set up this panel. You can hide, for example, Microsoft Calendar or Microsoft To-Dos, and you can add your Google Calendar. For example, click Add Widget, find here Google Calendar. You can set up this glance panel how you want. So if you want to use Microsoft Calendar, you can use Microsoft Calendar. If you want to use Microsoft Calendar and Google Calendar, you can use it. You can use Microsoft MSN News if you want, and it really great works. But here on your home screen you have themes button. Oh, this Apex theme. I'm so sorry. Click on it. Wait a while. Where I am? I'm here. Okay. So just click and hold on free space on your device. Click Launcher Settings, and here you have your launcher, Microsoft Launcher settings. Here you can customize everything. You can customize your wallpapers. You can customize the light, dark. You can customize blur, opacity. You can customize motifs of color motifs of your device. For example, accent color. Just choose any warm color to use warm colors on your system, on your Microsoft Launcher. So you can customize dock panel. You can customize number of columns and numbers or number of rows. So you can customize really everything. For example, you can use this dock panel to save here your favorite application, but not only 5 applications, but here you can add any application else. For example, click on it and add any other applications. Okay, and as you can see, here we have other applications. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel. If you are using for any of showed themes, write us about it in comments of this video. If you are using for any other Android theme or Android launcher, write us about it and tell us why you're using it. So thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.